Bask. To lie or relax in a warm or pleasant situation, usually under the sun. I basked in the sun on the beach yesterday with my friend. Bloom. To produce flowers. The flower was in full bloom yesterday. Camouflage. To hide or blend in with the surroundings so that no one can see you easily. The grasshopper camouflaged on the green leaves. Decay. To slowly break down, rot, or become weak or damaged over time. Like food, teeth, buildings, or even health. His teeth are already starting to decay. Drool. Drop saliva uncontrollably from the mouth. You drool from your mouth when you sleep. Flicker. To shine or burn unsteadily or to flash quickly. The candle was flickering in the room during the storm. Flock. A group of birds or a group of people or animals moving together. A flock of sheep are walking on the road. Graze. To lightly touch or scrape against something, often causing a minor injury. I fell on the floor but I didn't graze. Graze. To feed on grass like cows, goats, etc. Our cow is grazing on the open meadows. Rebound. To recover from something, like from an injury, sadness, breakup, or failure. He rebounded well from his illness. Rebound. To bounce back after hitting something. He is throwing the ball and it is rebounding from the floor. Ripple. A small wave or movement on the surface of water. I am throwing stones in the pond and ripples are spreading. Scatter. To throw or spread things over a wide area in different directions. To move quickly in different directions. He scattered the money to the poor people. The angry bull made us scatter. Shed. To let something fall off or come off, like hair, leaves, tears, light, etc. The cat is shedding her hair. Whirl. To move or spin rapidly in circles. My toy is whirling too fast. Wilt. To become weak, bend down, or lose strength or freshness, especially for plants, or even for people. The flower wilted because you didn't water.